May I come in, sir?
Yes.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Please be seated.
Thank you so much, sir.
So, Ankit,
Yes, sir.
you had come here earlier also.
Yes, sir, I have come.
Okay, so please introduce yourself.
So as you have seen in my DAF, my name is 𝐁𝐚𝐭𝐜𝐡 𝐶. I am from Sasaram, Bihar, and I have completed my BTech, which is in civil engineering from NIT Jamshedpur. And talking about my family background, my father is a businessman and my mother is a housewife. And I have a sibling also, she is my sister, and she is working in a MNC. So this is all brief about me.
You are working somewhere?
Yes, sir?
Are you working somewhere?
No, sir, I am not working.
You are not working. Are you paying any taxes?
No, sir, I am not paying any tax.
You are not paying any taxes.
No, sir.
Good, good, good. Sure.
No, sir, I am paying taxes in terms of like if I am purchasing some chocolates, toffee, in those like GSTs I am paying.
Yeah. So, what type of tax are these taxes?
Sir, like if anything that I have to purchase, like if I am saying like petrol, then we have like central road fund. From that we are giving some amount of money as a tax for development of road, and other taxes like we have mentioned, goods and services tax. These tax.
Yeah. What type of tax is this? What are the major type of taxes?
Sir, I am not aware of that.
You have heard of the word direct and indirect?
Yes, sir, direct taxes which or in. Yes, I have heard.
So, is this GST a direct tax or indirect tax?
Sir, indirect taxes.
Indirect tax. Which is the direct tax?
Sir, like income tax comes under the direct taxes.
That's a direct tax. Okay. So, collection of which one of these is more in India?
So, indirect taxes are more in India.
How much is the collection per
Sir,
month?
I'm not aware of that, sir.
Make a guess.
Like in a month.
Yeah, month or year, whatever you want, your choice.
I would say, sir, 50 lakh crore piece.
50 lakh crore is collection of what?
Sir, all the taxes comparing, including the direct taxes and indirect taxes, or the fines that not fines.
Okay. No, I was asking about the indirect tax. How much is the indirect tax collection?
I think 85% would be, so if I taking guess, to 42-43 lakh crore.
Is indirect tax.
Sir,
And direct tax is only 15%.
so I'm not aware of that, but it is based on what I am guessing.
Okay. No, actually, the indirect tax is about 20 lakh crores per annum. And direct tax is also almost of the same order.
Same order.
Okay. So anyway, and what are your hobbies?
Sir, my hobbies is playing cricket and solving Sudoku, sir.
Okay. And what about aero modeling?
Sir, it is a team that I have worked in my college. So it is related with the participating competition like ESE India and ESE International. Sir. It is related with making RC planes, sir.
Making?
Remote control planes, sir.
Yeah. So now you tell me that as a civil engineer, what could be the role of drones in civil engineering, if any role?
So there could be many, which is including like surveillance of like we can say the reconnaissance work that we can do, and for like in broader perspective that it could do like lifting of some concrete to higher level, like in a high-rise building we can lift concrete to the higher level. This could be one other
Using
thing.
drone?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Sir, recent development in drones that it can carry heavy loads also. So this could be used in future. I have no idea that it is
Come
still.
on. Do you think it will ever be cost effective to lift concrete using drone?
जब सेब लाना हो सकता है तो why not this?
Sir, I'm talking about based on what could be the scope, but talking about the economy, I think
Okay, normally when the lift is deployed to lift concrete, say to 20th story or 50th story, what is the energy that is required?
so I have no idea regarding that, sir.
What is the process that is used?
Sir, we employ like the aerodynamic natures of the wings that gives the lift to
The
the.
normal crane, I am saying, if there is a crane, bucket crane, which takes concrete to the top of the building. Technical, what is the system deployed?
So I'm not aware, but I think it is pulley system that is used or employed.
Yeah, so on one side of the pulley is the concrete.
Yes, sir.
What is on the other side of the pulley?
So it may be some kind of load that could be employed, or we say the boom is connected to it.
No, boom is there. Boom's role is not this.
So if I can guess, like if it is like hydraulic jacks is employed to give the force.
Lifts, they don't work on hydraulic jack. In the lift, you have traveled so many times. So what is on the other side?
So weights that is employed.
Yeah, it's a counterweight.
Counterweights.
So the force that is, the torque that is required is the delta between the counterweight and this. That difference is what is extra to be applied,
Yes, sir.
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So obviously this force requirement will be much less compared to lifting something and taking it up to the 20th floor. So drone would be, it will be a difficult proposal.
Yes,
A
sir.
bit costly, otherwise through pipe only. Once the RMC comes from the plant, it is through pumping system, it is taken to the.
Yes.
That will be cheaper.
Yes, sir.
Drone is where you cannot take it, like 64-story building or 60-story building. There maybe piping doesn't work. And there it will also work, ऐसा नहीं है. But maybe then it is cheaper. But you have still not used. So you have to do the cost analysis.
Yes, sir.
Because whatever comes, that is taken care of.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can you tell us 3 civil engineering wonders, recent wonders in India?
So the recent projects that I can recall of, like Central Vista project, like
That's not a civil engineering wonder. It's
wonders,
a
like
big project, all right, but not a wonder.
sir, in modern areas we can say that Burj Khalifa is one of those because of.
Burj Khalifa
Yes, sir.
In India.
in
In
India.
India, okay, sir. In India, like we have Chenab Bridge, that is the 3-inch arch that we have used, could be one, and one that highway or the network that is C-Link in Mumbai that has been constructed, that could be one.
Okay. Third,
Third, it is under the process, like interlinking of rivers, that has poses many challenges, and that could be one of the wonders.
no, interlinking of rivers is not a wonder. One world's highest tunnel has been made.
Yes, sir. The Atal Tunnel is also one of.
Yeah. Okay, my last question. This Chenab Bridge, as a civil engineer, what is great about it?
Sir, if you see that the valley, there are other options that we can see. The valley that we need to cross, and the amount of load that is coming, that is we need to construct for the railways. So the amount of load that is coming is really high. And the positions, like we have support of like abutments over there, like have a rocky abutments. So this could be one of the reasons that the arch bridges are employed over there, sir.
Did you try to get into the technicalities of that bridge?
So like in civil engineering perspective that I have studied that we have employed just because arch beaches are very much employed over there where we can see the rocky abutments are there and we can have the advantage of like arch action, that is the bending moment in that is really less.
So what is the height of that bridge from that river?
So I am not able to recall, sir.
What is the span?
Sorry, sir, not able to recall.
Then what is unique about it? If there is nothing noteworthy, then what is unique about that bridge?
So the constructions, if you have to carry out that construction at that area or that the geography.
अंकित, तुम लोगों को कल को तुम यूनाइटेड नेशन में जाते हो बोलोगे ओ वी मेड अ ब्रिज एट अ वेरी हाई प्लेस. If you constructed, you will realize it's very difficult. Is this the way we convince the world? We have to have some technical parameters
Yes, sir.
to sell our story.
Yes, sir.
You know, something should be there. Anyway, think about it.
Ankit, actually this is repeat interview, so in my format, नया नहीं है, nothing new. Tell me what is improvement over my previous questions. That was the project, that was something about your career in cricket,
Yes, sir.
and something about Noida. What improvement is there?
Sir, the question that you have asked about what the Jharkhand's name is named Jharkhand, and the other stories that you have asked about the Tata Steels, that what Jamshedji Tata have done, that the story of related to the one railway officer that has said that the that amount of steel that Indians will produce will be eaten by them, and later the British steel is acquired by the Tata Steel. That story that I have gone through.
Okay, what about what is the project that you told me?
So my project was regarding design of G+3 RCC structure and design of high strength concrete, sir. So in that you have asked about what are the like supplementary cementitious material regarding questions, and what are the you have asked about the water cement ratio related questions. Why? What are the water cement ratios? That was question that you have asked.
What do you think? Where do you needed improvement, and what is the result?
Sir, sorry.
What improvement you needed last time,
Yes, sir.
and you have made up and you have come to us?
Sir, I didn't have revised so many of like interview related questions, like what could be asked. Like we have like theoretical knowledge to solve the questions, but like definitions like what is Mueller-Breslau principle, what is liquefaction, what is like Betty's law. So this kind of things, that definition, exact definition, I didn't know. So this.
So now let me know, you are from Jharkhand. So how much water is being used in mining and what more being used in, you are from Bihar?
Yes, I am from here.
Achha, but anyway, that is now irrelevant to you. Like Sasaram, what it is famous for? What it is famous for?
Sir, there are multiple things that this is famous for. One could be from like past, like in very paving back years, that the place where the Sahasrabahu and the Bhagwan Parshuram's war has been taken place, and other things that Sesa Suri was born over there, and even we have two Gurudwara which was set up by the 10th Guru, the Guru Tej Bahadur, which is Gurudwara Taksal Sangat.
10th Guru was Guru Tegh
Govind Singh or Tegh Bahadur? Anyway, it was done by Sikh Guru.
Yes, sir. That are two, Gurudwara Chacha Fagulman and Gurudwara Taksal Sangat. And other one thing that recently I have heard about it is that on Chandan Sahid Pahadi we have seen some Shila Lake of Mauryan times or Gupta times. It was like written in Pali, so that something has been found over there. And other architectural have like Sesa Suri Makabras and Rohtasgarh Kilas are there.
It has a lot of historical importance.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, चलो टेक्निकल तो हो गया, आप बताइए कुछ.
Okay, Ankit. You said aero modeling team.
Yes, sir.
So, what type of RCC planes you have designed?
Sir, mainly designing the RC plane that we have used was involving that there we have a design problem and we have to design according to that. We generally participate in 3 classes, that is micro class, regular class and the advanced class. So in my year, in 2021, that I have participated, that was in regular class and advanced class. Talking about the advanced class, the problem was related to like if we have to drop the colonist to the surface of Mars, water bottle, and other automated airplanes, like we already have been pre-programmed to land on surface. So these are according to this number of colonists, number of that ping pong balls that has been employed to.
No, I'm asking what are the types of RCC planes you have designed? Either these are normal winged planes or these are quadcopters. What sort of planes you have designed?
So it was a fixed wing aircraft, sir.
Fixed wing aircraft.
Yes, sir.
It is a VTOL or it was taking through runway?
It was taking through runway, sir.
It was taking through runway.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how is the lift generated in a normal plane?
Sir, due to this airfoil shape that a wing has, it creates a pressure difference, and due to this pressure difference, we get lift in the plane, sir.
Okay. So where would be the pressure high? Where would be the pressure low?
The pressure at the bottom will be high and at the top will be low, sir.
Which aerofoil shape you have used for the plane you have designed?
For the wing section, we have S122K, and for the tail sections, we have NACA series airfoils.
NACA series,
Yes,
symmetrical airfoils.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What was the angle of attack in the winged airfoil?
So I'm not able to recall that.
Okay. The quadcopters that you see, or the planes that we actually make, which can take off vertically.
Yes, sir.
So you see that mostly these have 4 propellers, or the propellers are in 4, 6, 8.
Yes, sir.
Why we have the propellers in this ratio?
So it is related with the maneuver of the what we call the quadcopters. So this is used for like if the first 2 planes will rotate at high speed and second will rotate with slow speed, then it will go backward simultaneously. So this kind of maneuver to go right and left, there we need to have like control the speed in this so that the thrust or the sway lift or like movement of this kind.
So then helicopters, why doesn't helicopter have 2 blades or 2 rotors? Why does the helicopter have only 1 rotor?
So for the movement of like right and left, we have like one like or fans that is at the behind of the aircraft, that helicopter we have. So that could help in the movement.
Why that rotor is used, which is at the behind? That is for movement on left and right.
I'm not aware of that. I am just said what I'm thinking that it could be.
Have you seen any movie where this tail rotor stops? There are multiple movies where the tail rotor stops. What happens to the helicopter if the tail rotor stops?
So I have no idea about it.
What is the rotation of the propellers? Are these contra-rotating propellers or they rotate in the same direction?
Like in quadcopters?
Yeah. Any
Like-
of the planes.
So in quadcopter, it rotates like 2 in different direction, 2 are in.
Why?
So in quadcopters, that I think it is related with the maneuver only, because we want that to have like angular momentum to be conserved, so that it do not have like rotate violently. So this could be reason that we are providing that.
Okay, thank you. Sir.
Ankit, tell
Yeah.
me why civil engineering is called as civil engineering?
So civil engineering, sir, based on what I have studied, so this is related with the engineering work with like civil works, like construction of buildings, or related with what like transportation of seaways, water. So this civil works are there. So that's why this is called civil engineering.
Civil works are there.
Yes, sir.
What is aerial photogrammetry?
Sir, it is a method of having a survey by clicking the photos from the aircraft. It like if we are clicking the aircraft, it is very fast, and we can get the like survey of very large area in very less time. So this is why we using aerial photogrammetry.
Why do we do overlapping in aerial photogrammetry?
Sir, there might be possible that some of the photographs are not clicked or lost. So in those cases, if we have overlap, then we can make the complete picture if 1 or 2 photographs are lost in this case.
What are stereo pairs?
Sorry, sir, I'm not aware of that.
What are mosaic?
Sir, I have heard this word in like building materials construction.
No,
Right.
I'm talking about photogrammetry.
No, sir, I'm not aware. Mosaic.
When you prepare, mosaic is another form of map prepared from aerial photographs. You take the central portion which is not overlapped.
Yes, sir.
So it is not matching with your definition.
So based on that, what I have studied or I'm telling on that, it might be I'm wrong, sir.
What is transition curve?
Sir, for like giving a circular curve, we need to provide some cant or super elevation, and to not to have like sudden jerk, we need to increase the radius or decrease the radius from infinity to radius r, which is provided. So we have a smooth transition from like a straight part to a circular curve. In these cases, we provide the transition curve.
You will provide transition curve only between straight road and its circular curve?
Sir, in cases where like other curves could also be there, like change in 2 direction, in that cases we need to provide transition curve. If not, circular curve is present. Like one is going straight and other have like different direction, then in that cases we also.
And that is straight line and circular curve as you are telling.
So there might be possible that without the circular curve we have the transition curve. That
For example?
For example, like there isn't any part of curve which is circular, that it is possible that if we are joining the 2 straight lines in different direction, then it is possible that there is the amount of circular curves are very less, or it might not be present over there. So in those cases, like for minor movement, in those cases we have to give.
What is autogenous curve?
Sorry, sir, I'm not able to recall.
In highway, for horizontal curve, you prefer spiral curve or cubic parabola curve?
So earlier it was square parabola, but in 2023, as per IRC 73, that has been updated to use the cubic parabola.
Why not cubic spiral? That is the ideal curve.
So it might be related to plot these curves on ground is difficult, or like or we are getting the same answer for same setting curve. We didn't get any much of like deviation from the ideal curve in those cases. So so we are providing square parabola.
Sure, thank you. Sir.
Okay, so your interview is over, Ankit.
Yes, sir.
We'll call you back for feedback.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. May I come in, sir?
Please be seated.
Thank you so much, sir.
अंकित तुम्हारी ये जो स्माइल है ना ये देखनी चाहिए.
Yes, sir.
It's a good smile. And I think you did well today. What is your feeling compared to last time? How are you feeling now?
So like I did well in like sectors of aerodynamics, I feel, from the last time. But I think from the initial that you have asked about tax regime, that I didn't have many ideas about that. So
Yeah, your figures were quite good.
Yeah.
They were not wrong. It was quite good. Yeah, थोड़ा देख लो.
Yes, sir.
So that's where you will get your salary from.
Yes, sir.
Or you passed out in which year?
Sir, 2023, sir.
23.
Yes, sir.
And you are not doing anything now.
Sir, from last year वही preparation ही चल रही थी.
You are a good, smart candidate. You should make it.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Today easily you get 130 score. You can go up to 150 also.
Yes, sir.
आपकी मेहनत और किस्मत.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Good. You are interacting with the board. So looking at others also, that's very good. You can use your hands also slightly.
Yes sir.
And use your smile, put a smile, use your smile.
Yes sir.
कब है इंटरव्यू तुम्हारा?
सर 25th को है, 25th ऑफ
आफ्टरनून?
नो 4 noon है सर.
तो ऑल द बेटर.
यस सर.
ठीक है, नथिंग टू वरी. आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
अंकित, 2-3 छोटी छोटी चीज़ें मैं बताऊंगा. पहला तो आपने जब सर ने इंट्रो पूछा तो आपने अगेन एक सेंटेंस बोला एज यू हैव सीन इन माय
यस सर.
जरूरत नहीं है बोलने.
जरूरत नहीं है,
तो देख ही लिया है, आप फर्दर क्या है?
ऐसे सेंटेंस बच्चों.
यस सर. ठीक है.
आपसे एक बहुत ही बेसिक क्वेश्चन पूछा सर ने कि कितना एनर्जी रिक्वायर्ड होगा व्हेन यू आर लिफ्टिंग द कंक्रीट. दैट इज सिंपली mgh.
ओके सर. ठीक है.
वो आपने बोला नहीं पता सर.
सर
सर ने आपको कुछ और भी हिंट भी देने की कोशिश किया. अगेन यू डिड नॉट टेक दैट हिंट.
सर वो मेरा दिमाग उस पे चला गया था कि लाइक अगर ये ड्रोन्स यूज़ करें तो कैसे पावर बैटरी चाहिए,
नहीं
कितना.
तो वो सब में नहीं जाना. पहले क्वेश्चन सुनो क्या पूछा जा रहा है
Yes, sir.
एंड बहुत ज़्यादा ओवरथिंक मत करो. बैकग्राउंड में चलते रहना चाहिए बट इतना नहीं चलना चाहिए कि फिर आप जैसे सर ने आपको एक बहुत ही झटका सा दिया कि कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव कैसा होगा. हेलीकॉप्टर भी तो होता है. हेलीकॉप्टर इज लाइक ड्रोन. हेलीकॉप्टर से क्यों नहीं गडर उठाते हैं?
यस सर. कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव.
सेम ही है ना.
यस सर.
हमारे पास हेलीकॉप्टर्स हैं अभी. हेलीकॉप्टर से उठा के गडर रख दो. तो नहीं करते हैं हम. एक के ऊपर क्रेन ले जाते. तो वो चीज़ें थोड़ी सी ना आपको थोड़ा सा सोचना है कि क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा जा रहा है एंड देन उसके अप्रोप्रिएट उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको आंसर देना है.
यस सर.
बीच में आप कुछ वर्ड बोल रहे थे हाइड्रोलिक जैक से उठा देंगे. अगेन वो बहुत ही रैंडम सा है. इट इज़ वेरी वियर्ड और एब्सर्ड है वो. एक कुछ भी वर्ड निकलता है उससे पहले आप
तोड़ लो.
आपको मैं लाइव एग्जांपल दिखाता हूँ. आपने बोला 10th सिख गुरु. किसको आंसर दे रहे थे आप? सर को.
यस सर.
द मोमेंट यू सेट द नेम, सर ने क्या बोला? अच्छा वो 10th है. आपका एक रॉन्ग डेटा ना 4 लोगों के कान में जा रहा है और जैसे ही एक रॉन्ग डेटा जाता है कान फट से खड़ा हो जाता है.
संशय पैदा होता है ना, जेन्युइन.
सर वो मेरे हिसाब से मैंने फिर क्योंकि
इट इज़ ओके लाइक ठीक है अभी आपने बोला बट यू हैव टू बी कॉशियस. कोई भी डेटा अगर आप बोल रहे हो ऐसे रैंडम डेटा नहीं है. एंड जो यहाँ लोग बैठे हैं वो डे इन डे आउट ये डेटा ही सुनते रहते हैं.
यस सर.
तो आप जैसे ही कुछ बोलोगे वो कहीं ना कहीं पता चल जाता है. तो वो थोड़ा सा उससे बचना है. ठीक
सर
है.
वो आई थिंक वो गलत लिखा है क्योंकि मैंने 10th ही अपने नोट्स में लिखा है. ये प्रॉब्लम हो गई है तो
ठीक है. इट्स ओके. मतलब दैट यू कैन क्रॉस चेक इट.
Yes,
बाकी एरोडायनामिक्स वाले क्वेश्चन वर ओके. बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस नहीं थे बट बीइंग अ सिविल इंजीनियर आई डोंट एक्सपेक्ट कि आपको आंसर आपको
इतना जवाब दे दिया वही
आई वाज जस्ट आस्किंग कि आपने लिखा है मैनेजर ऑफ द टीम एंड मैनेजर शुड नो एवरीथिंग.
सब मैनेजर सब मोस्टली वो इन्वॉल्व इन मनी सेक्टर की स्पॉन्सरशिप सेक्टर और फैब्रिकेशन सेक्टर में ज़्यादा था.
इसरो के चेयरमैन जो होंगे उनको सब पता होना चाहिए कि क्या है बजट. भले ही वो कुछ भी नहीं कंट्रोल करते हो बट उनको सब कुछ पता होगा.
यस सर.
आप अगर बोल रहे हो क्वाड्रोकॉप्टर अगर आप बना रहे हो या एरो मॉडलिंग कर रहे हो तो आप बेसिक क्वेश्चन चाहे भले ही आप मैनेज मनी में इन्वॉल्व हो बट आप डिज़ाइन टीम से पूछोगे ना भाई ये लेंथ किस बेसिस पे लिया है तुमने. पूछोगे ना क्रॉस सेक्शन किस बेसिस पे लिया है. सो दैट इज ऑल दैट यू शुड. ठीक. रेस्ट ऑल वाज परफेक्ट.
यस सर.
अच्छा है यार बट थोड़ा सा टेक्निकल पढ़ो भी. कब है इंटरव्यू?
मैं अब 25th को है सर.
बहुत समय है.
यस सर.
पढ़ो टेक्निकल पढ़ो. जैसे ही सर्विंग पे आया तो
सर मैंने अभी तक सर्वेइंग और हाइड्रोलॉजी ये 2 सब्जेक्ट मतलब पढ़े नहीं है क्योंकि बाकी सब अर्थक्वेक वो सब पे टाइम लग गया.
कोई नहीं अभी समय है पढ़ लो बट किताब से पढ़ना.
सब बुक्स कोई ओके.
गूगल साहब की किताब से पढ़ लो. ज़्यादा समय नहीं लगेगा. आसान है.
ओके सर.
ठीक है. चलो बस.
Only way,
सम्मान.
sir.
130 आपको आराम से मिल जाएगा आज की डेट में.
यस सर.
बट यू हैव पोटेंशियल फॉर 150.
यस
और
सर.
रिटर्न मीटिंग अच्छा हुआ तो टॉप भी कर सकते हो.
यस सर.
बंदे स्मार्ट हो.
यस सर. थैंक यू सो मच.
ठीक है. अच्छे हो. यू आर अमंगस्ट द बेस्ट कैंडिडेट्स वी हैव सीन.
यस सर.
ठीक है. बाकी शेयर वेयर करना है वो सब देख लेना.
ओके. मतलब सर फ्राइडे को किया था वो प्रॉब्लम ये होता है कि
नहीं, you decide. You ask your girlfriend or wife, mother, somebody.
बेड ठीक है या
Ask somebody who
Clean shaven
knows you, who
beard.
sees you every day.
yes,
ठीक है? What you have to do?
yes, okay,
So grooming part you must look at.
okay,
But you are a very good candidate. You should not be lost this time.
okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Right.